It's almost open enrollment season, and for those of you who receive employer benefits, you've got some decisions to make. Many employers provide access to additional coverage over and above any insurance that they provide to you that you can opt into or opt out of. So you're faced with a choice. Do you buy the additional insurance through the group, or should you work with an insurance professional to purchase life insurance on the outside that is not tied to your employment? There are 4 main differences between group and individually owned life insurances. First, convenience. One of the benefits of group life insurance is that it is very convenient. Your employer provides you access to it, and most likely you can apply for it with a stroke of a pen or even online. And if it's approved, it's in force and deducted from your paycheck. There is a more detailed and lengthy process when it comes to applying for individual life insurance. Second, portability. One of the negatives of group life insurance is that it is tied to your employment with your current employer. So if you leave that employer, you may not be able to take that coverage with you. And if you can, it can be very expensive to convert it because they are using group pricing, which assumes that you may not be in the best health. Which leads me to the next difference. Pricing. If you're healthy, most likely individual insurance that you get through a broker or a financial advisor is going to be much less expensive than going through your group, because the group is basing off group mortality and is assuming that most of the people in that plan aren't in the best health. The other note in regards to pricing is that with your individual policy, you can lock your pricing in for 10, 20, or even 30 years and beyond. With group insurance, your rates will go up in either 1 or 5-year increments. So when you're 35 to 39, it's one price. 40 and up, it's another price, so on and so forth. The last difference is face amounts and policy options. Typically in a group, you're capped off at a certain amount of coverage. Oftentimes that's $500,000. On the individual side, if you need $1 million or $2 million in coverage and you have the income to support that, then there isn't really an upper limit as the amount of coverage you can get. Also, with individual insurance, there are additional riders and features available that you cannot get with a group policy. So to recap, convenience, portability, pricing, and face amounts and policy options are the 4 places that we distinguish group life insurance versus an individual policy. Figuring out which one is right for you is a process that you should go through with a licensed professional. For more information, visit us at barnumfinancialgroup.com. For more Barnum Insights, follow us on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel.